Was that in the episode?
Yeah.
A lot of groaning. I think he's getting old. And he needs to shit. I don't know what that one was about, honestly. That one was unrelated.
I've stopped counting.
Oh, now he's horny.
No, I think.
And now he's evil.
I was gonna say now I think he's done being horny.
I'm never done being evil.
We got him. Call the cops in. We got an admittance.
Yeah.
I sure hope you added a sound effect for cops right there.